just try to not even be in that.
Back at it again, folks, over here at Brooks Landscaping. As you know, we do the best when it comes to landscaping. Here is why they call us the hardscape kings. Look at these beautiful, beautiful Stonehurst pavers that we're going to be putting in. It's going to totally transform this landscape. Definitely what we do on a consistent basis here at Brooks Landscaping, where we're always focused on giving customers way more than that of what's expected. And I tell you, we like to give you these live videos and these videos on YouTube so that you can see what a landscape looks like before we really get started. So let me just take you through really quick. And you can see we got an existing concrete pad right here. Now, we removed that existing concrete pad in the sense that we've actually resurfaced it. So no longer do you see it because we put these beautiful Stonehurst pavers on it. And as you can see with the design and the layout, it gives this home a totally new look. Now, over here at Brooks Landscaping, we're getting into a lot of different landscape transformations. So we do a lot of drainage solutions as well. Dry creek beds. That's what we're going to be creating in this area here. But I wanted you to see this beautiful Stonehurst paver that we got going on, and I want you to see kind of how well we're able to make this look. So just take a look at this for a second, folks. And you can see we use those edge border pieces there to keep our pavers in, and we also spike them in with a 12-inch spike. Make sure they don't go anywhere. Every stone is level, making sure that you get exactly what you're looking for in that category. Nothing's going to be off balance. We take our time and precision, making sure that we look at it from a proper angle and then use our level to make sure it's all where it needs to be. Now, this is one of the many jobs that we've done over the years, but we're just not making it to Facebook. So if you like what you see, we'd love for you to go ahead and tell a little bit about us, because we're definitely just now making it to YouTube. This is our first video on YouTube, so please, if you like the videos that we're putting together, we got a ton more on our Facebook page, Brooks Landscaping, but you can definitely see a lot more of these videos to come. So if you like what you've been able to see right now, just leave us a comment. We'll definitely appreciate it. Now, these pavers are the Stonehurst pavers. This is a Sierra blend. Yeah, we got them from a distributor called Tremron. They're actually located in Florida. That's in the United States. We're located in Atlanta, Georgia, right here in the United States. And we've been making customers happy for some time now. We're focused on providing our customers with a distinctive and detailed landscape experience. And it's our absolute first and foremost guarantee that we're going to work hard to satisfy our customers. Now, we're showing you this design right now so that you can see what it looks like before we really get done. And the last thing I'm going to show you on this property is what it usually looks like before we ever get started. And you can see that there's an existing area that has a lot of erosion. We're in Atlanta, Georgia, so it does say that we got a lot of mountains. Here's that red Georgia clay that they speak about. It's right here. We deal with it on a consistent basis, but it works well for us. But we're going to go ahead and take you all the way down the line here. You can see that there's a lot of drainage taking place right there. And we're going to put a dry creek bed encompassed with river rock to deal with that. So I thank you guys for watching what we got going on right now. It's only going to get better. Our first video, we didn't want to make it more than 5 minutes, and so I hope I haven't said too much. But I hope you also get an understanding of why you should subscribe. So if you want to get more of these videos as we begin to go into landscape jobs every single week, just hit the subscribe button. And we'd love to have you. We'd love for you to continue to watch our videos. But more importantly, we're going to be more intentional and making sure that we get you some live videos. This is Mario. He is the absolute best. We like to say, hey, is there a bird? Is there a plane? No, it is Superman. That's right. That's what we call Mario. You call him Superman because it says that he makes sure that the customer is super happy. And that's what we're always going to do here. So I want you guys to see this as a model. Hopefully, if you're in the landscape professional business, we can help you. And if you're a customer, we can help you with some ideas. So Thank you so much for your time. Once again, my name is Greg Brooks, and I'm with Brooks Landscaping. We are your full-service landscaping company, always focused on providing our customers with a distinctive and detailed landscape experience. And it has become our ability to exceed our customers' expectations and our detailed-oriented working habits that ensures you and whomever you may refer to us the complete satisfaction of our services.